discuss about arithmetic progression. Let us see with example what is meant by arithmetic progression. You know that all natural numbers, yes, we write here 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on to nth term. These are all natural numbers. Now here this is also called as sequence. This first term is called as term. The sequence, the numbers which are present is called as term. Here T1, T2, T3 and so on up to we write here Tnth. These are the terms in this sequence. We have to check here these sequence are in AP or not in AP. For this, first write terms. Here this sequence, first it is called first term, second term. It is denoted by T1, T2, T3 and so on. Here if we write here terms, here T1 is equal to 1. What is the value of T2? T2 is equal to 2. What is the value of T3? T3 is equal to 3 and so on. Okay, here Tn is equal to n. Now we have to find out their difference. If I ask you what is the next term, you always say yes, it is 5. Then how it is obtained? You add 1 to this 4 plus 1, 5. You get the next term, that is 5. But here we see that the difference between two consecutive number is 1. That is difference. If we want to calculate difference, d is equal to T2 minus T1. That is T2. What is the value of T2? T2 is 2. What is the value of T1? T1 is 1. That is equal to 1. Now again, if we find out the difference between second and third term, we write here d is equal to T3 minus T2. It is equal to 3 minus 2. It is equal to 1. Here we see that the value of d or the difference is 1, which is constant. It means that here 1, here plus 1 we get 2, again here plus 1 we get 3, again here plus 1 we get 4 and so on. If the difference is constant, then the numbers or the sequence are said to be in AP. So it is in AP. All natural numbers are in AP. Now if we consider second example. Now let us see second example. The square of all natural numbers. Okay. Now let us see the square of all natural number. That is 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 60 and so on. Now first write down the terms. T1 is equal to 1, T2 is equal to 4. Write down T3 is equal to 9 and so on. Now here we have to find out difference, common difference. What is the common difference? Okay. Now here common difference d is known as difference is equal to T2 minus T1. T2 is equal to 4 here and T1 is equal to 1. 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3. Now again see d is equal to again T3 minus T2. T3 is 9. 9 minus 4, that is equal to 5. But here d is not equal. Here d is 3 and here d is 5. Their difference is not constant, and if difference in a sequence difference is not constant, then the sequence is not in AP. So these terms are not in AP. Okay, you understand what I want to say you? जर समजा दोन संख्यामधला फरक D constant असेल, if the difference between two consecutive numbers, that is, it is constant, then the terms are in AP. Otherwise, the terms are not in AP. Okay, we see first example, that is natural numbers. That's our natural numbers. Natural numbers are in AP because their difference is constant. And here we see square number, that is 1, 4, 9, 16. We know that the next term is 25, but these are not in AP. So this sequence is not in AP.